Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. And I haven't been out here in a minute, but I'm back and I'm going to be posting now, like I usually do. But I know it's been like a few years since the last time I posted up here. I think the last time I posted, I was pregnant with my 3-year-old. But also last year I was pregnant again, and unfortunately, my baby girl passed away. She was 2 months. Yeah. So I was going through that, but I'm still blessed. And I know she's in a better place. She's not suffering no more. But yeah, it's my daughter, y'all. She want to be in everything. I'm just gonna talk to y'all and just try to updates. I'm gonna be doing cleaning today, y'all, because got a little update. So I got a studio built in my yard, so I can do all my crafting and everything I want to do. So I came up with this business, Revive and Design, where we do everything. Me, my sister slash best friend, she my business partner slash co-designer. My business is called Revive and Design Studio. Also go follow that page too. Also, that channel. We just did a baby shower. Our first event was a baby shower, and we just did that, as you can see over there. But I just woke up, y'all. Just got up because we had a long weekend, and when I tell you, y'all, it is. We had a good time. We enjoyed ourselves, and so as long as a mom was excited and happy, we excited and happy. But she loved it. My sister loved it. So yeah. So yeah. So today's a cleaning day for me. My house is like a tornado that went through it. So yeah, I'm gonna bring y'all along with me cleaning my house, because when I say like a tornado went through it, y'all, because we was busy today. Not today, but we were busy for like a week, all last week, trying to get this baby shower stuff designing and done. And I had my god kids over here, because my god kids are my sister's kids. So, and my child, they all was doing the most, okay, in this house, okay. They had my house, got my house tore up and down, and then plus for me, been getting up early and going to sleep late. My dude go to come home and take a shower and lay down. I don't think about nothing else. So that's why, yeah. But I'm about to go in this living room first and start this living room, because I have to move my living room around because of my air conditioning is in the window. And yeah, I got my TV. I had my TV. I just moved the TV last night to my chair so I can move it properly. But my TV was in front of my window because it was cold, winter time. But now it's springtime. It's getting hot up in here. So, I got to move the TV around and everything around to, make sure everything is right for this spring and summer, okay? I also gotta get another AC unit to go in my daughter's room because I put her air conditioning in my studio due to go back in there due to she wasn't in her room last year. I just actually redid her room. Since she was in the room with me, now she's 3 years old. I redid her room so she have her own room now, and to be, out of my room. So yeah. So I'm about to go in the living room and start getting that process and clean up. I left my tripod in my studio from this event that we had over the weekend. So bear with me, y'all. I'm trying to get as much footage I can today with y'all. So yeah. Just come with me, y'all. I using my facial when I get up, but I'm home today cleaning up. I'm not doing no facial right now. So y'all, just stay with me and stuff. But yeah, my face is breaking out. Y'all, this pollen is out of control. Okay? It's out of control.
I started putting the clothes up I already washed and folded. I forgot to show the part of me moving stuff around. Finally finish, and I added some sunflowers for spring. I think I'm going to add more yellow, probably some throw pillows. I had to sit down and take a breather, and my feet is still swollen from the weekend. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.